Go back up to 28 and let's go over the answers. All right, 28, 29, and 30 are all FOIL problems or multiplications. So x plus 5 times x plus 7. It says find the area, and the formula for finding the area is length times width. You have to multiply x plus 5 times x plus 7, so that's x minus 7, excuse me. So x times x minus 7 is x squared minus 7x. And that's the first distribution. You come back to the second distribution, 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 7 is negative 35. Okay, so your area is your length times your width. So this is the length, this is the width, whichever one. You combine them together. Okay. X squared minus 2x minus 35. 28. Okay, 29. 29 is very similar. But 29 and 30 are two very special problems. It's called a trinomial perfect square. You need to know trinomial perfect square because it's two binomials multiplied together. It's the same thing. So I have a plus b times a plus b. And this is a pattern that comes when you have the same thing squared right there. So a minus 7 squared means a minus 7 times a minus 7. And the pattern that you can follow is you can take that first term and square it. You can take the last term and square it. You can take the two numbers in the middle, multiply them together, and times it by 2. So that gives you negative 14a right there in the middle. Yeah. Two signs that are the same right there. So x minus 7 times x minus 7 is x squared minus 14x plus 49. It's called a trinomial perfect square. Just like number 30 is called the difference of two squares. And number 29, it's the same thing twice. And number 30 is the same thing twice. But notice they have different signs. So what happens there is your middle term is canceled out. You have 5z squared times 5z squared is 25z to the fourth minus 9. And the idea in this one is the middle terms cancel out. So 28, FOIL. 29 is also FOIL, but it's a very special type of FOIL problem called trinomial perfect square. You do the same thing, same binomial twice. And this is also special. You have first two terms, 5z squared and 5z squared is 25z to the fourth. And then your last terms are both both 3. One of them is positive 3 and one of them is negative 3, so it's negative 9. And your middle terms cancel out because your binomial there is just one's positive and one's negative. So in 28 through 30 is a multiplication problem. All of a sudden we come to 31. And kind of like the other one when we started out with combining like terms, now we're going to end with like terms. So your like terms are 5 cubed to the fifth and 6 cubed to the fifth. Then you look for a fourth term. Let's see, there's not one, but there's a negative 2 cubed and a negative cube. And then look for a squared term. You'll see a squared term. Then 4 and negative 9. 4 minus 9. You get these numbers here from distributing your negatives. This is not a FOIL problem. This is a straight up addition problem. So 6 plus 5 is 11 cubed to the fifth. Minus 3 cubed to the third. And then 4 minus 9 is negative 5. So your final answer is 11 cubed to the fifth, negative 3 cubed minus 5.